Boeing's government services team has completed subsystem upgrades on 37 F-15C Eagle fighter jets at the Louisiana Air National Guard Base in New Orleans. The enhancements are part of a 4-year effort to ensure the aging aircraft remain combat effective and secure into the 2030s. Each aircraft underwent a 62-day installation process led by a 30-person Boeing team, the majority of whom are military veterans. Ryan Hudson, F-15 Modification Manager, stated, "The dedication of our mostly veteran team, coupled with advanced computing technology, ensures the F-15C aircraft remains relevant well into the 2030s until the F-15C is divested from the United States Air Force inventory." This project exemplifies the power of partnership and sets the stage for future capabilities and innovation. The upgrades included the installation of the Advanced Display Core Processor II, ADCP-II, and the Multifunction Information Distribution System, Joint Tactical Radio System, MIDS-JTRS. These systems boost mission computing performance and provide enhanced secure communications capabilities for the aircraft. As the F-15C nears 5 decades in service, Boeing emphasized the importance of modernization for sustaining readiness on an evolving battlefield. The company noted that the ADCP-II and MIDS-JTRS upgrades provide the technological foundation necessary for the F-15C to meet the demands of modern warfare and maintain superiority on the battlefield.